Alright, man, PullsTv here, back with another one, man. Hey, man, I know y'all haven't seen no content on Iron Man in a minute, man, but y'all finna figure out why. Iron Man out for the count again, once again, and this time we got to pull the motor out of it. Motor got to come out. Rear main seal came out some kind of way, man. I don't know. I ain't sure how it came out or what made it come out, but we finna pull the motor out. Finna see, you know, what happened. I'm gonna try to put another rear main seal in it, and yeah, man, that's what we got. So it's gonna be a couple part series to this thing, man, and we're gonna get it out, and hopefully everything check out good, and it'll be going back in, and we'll be back on the road. So that's what we finna do, man. But I'm gonna climb up on the here and show y'all how the rear main seal came out. And I mean, it's literally sitting on the edge. So y'all hold on, let me get the creeper and all that. Let me slide up under this thing and show y'all what's going on. And I just pulled the truck in, and it's already all over the ground back here. But get up under here, man. Try to show y'all. Let's see. Let me see. Right. There you go. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but pretty much where it's leaking from. Transmission pan leaking too, as y'all can see. That thing leaking too. So we gonna go ahead and get all that straightened out, and hopefully, man, like I say, we can be back on the road here soon. I don't know if y'all can see, but we got an oil drop. I don't know if it's gonna focus in, but oil drop right there. So anyway, we finna get to it. Ain't no need to keep procrastinating and waiting, cause I can see the rear main seal sticking out right there. So yep, we finna get to it. Man, we got the motor, man. Y'all done seen the motor a million times, but this what we got, man. We finna get to work. We're gonna take the battery out first. We're gonna start on that. I don't know about this radiator, man. It giving me mixed emotions. I don't know if I need to go ahead and put one in here or not. But I don't know about that leaking down the side right there. But man, we're gonna pull the battery out of it. We're gonna start out by taking the battery out. We're gonna pull the fan shroud out, the radiator. Ain't no condenser in here, cause y'all remember I took it out when we hit that dip. So it ain't no condenser in here. So I'm gonna try to give it a little clearance where the engine can come forward. And I'm gonna probably go ahead and pull the hood off of it too. Probably go ahead and pull the hood off, and just to give me a little clearance where I can come up. So that's what we got. I'm finna get to it, man. I'm gonna film what I can, but I'm using my phone, so I'm gonna film what I can, and I mean all the rest of it, man. I guess I just have to catch y'all up to speed when I get a break. So let's go. this is where we at. I got the fan shroud out. Just got all my hoses off. The radiator, got my transmission lines out the radiator. And pretty much, man, the radiator ready to come out. So that's what we're finna do. Really, camera girl. Hey. Come out anyway. That water natural. Alright, so man, we finna work on getting the hood off. This gonna try to be a one-man effort. We gonna see what I can get done by myself. If not, next time I tune in, I should have me some help. Help me get this old heavy hood off. So I'm finna attempt that. We're finna see how this goes. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, man, so that's how one man can get a hood out by itself. You gotta be a beast to do that though. But man, that just opened it up. That just opened everything up for me. So everything from here on out, man, gonna be a piece of cake. But until then, we finna get ready to get this thing jacked up in the air so I can go up under and get the bell housing and bolts out. And I don't know if I'm gonna take the bolts loose from the bottom or take them loose up here. So that's what I'm gonna have to see. Anyway, man, y'all stay tuned. We're finna get this thing jacked up. Alright, so recap. Got the radiator and fan shroud out, all the way out. I might go ahead and drop that power steering pump over there, put it off to the side. I ain't sure about the fuel pump yet, how I'm gonna take it off. I ain't sure about the headers yet. But I mean, man, I didn't realize how easy it was to take a carbureted engine out, man. It is cake. But I'm going fuel injection when I put me another motor back in. So even though it's gonna be fun taking this one out, I know they're gonna be fun when I go fuel injection, but it is what it is. I want something a little bit more reliable when I crank it up and stuff. So yeah, man. Anyway, man, this is it for this video. Y'all remember to like, subscribe, all that. Share the video with somebody, man. I know I haven't been putting no content out. I know I haven't made nothing in a little minute. But hey, man, been stressing me out, man. I've been trying to figure out what's wrong with this thing, hoping it wouldn't remain sealed. But hey, turned out that's exactly what it was. But we're finna pull it out, we're finna fix it. We're gonna put it right back in, man. So y'all stay tuned to the next